Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all well. In today's episode, Let's Talk Creps, we're going to be talking about the Air Vapormax EVO NRG collector's wardrobe, which released back in 2020. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment and subscribe. I upload every Saturday, and with that being said, let's jump straight into this video. Okay, so just a little bit of history about this shoe before we get into it. As you can see, the box is absolutely crazy on this one. So, for the Air Vapormax EVO NRG collector's wardrobe, they mashed together a load of the iconic night boxes, and I have to admit, this is such a cool box. It was a very Marmite shoe, this. Like, it sat on sneakers. I was really happy. I thought I won it and I'd done really well on it, and then I realised quite quickly that they were sitting. But you know, you don't buy shoes for the resale value, and if you do, that's you. But for me personally, I buy them because I like to collect kicks, especially Air Maxes, and yeah, we can have a whole topic and debate about that, but let's stick to the video on this one. So the box label is here. So the colourway on this is black, clear, metallic silver, and it's a UK 10. Retailed at 190 Great British pounds or $200. So it was a very expensive shoe for when it dropped. And do you know what? It's a really hard shoe to wear, but I really appreciate what Nike done with this, and you know, they're trying to sort of showcase the history of Air Max, and I think in that respect they did do a good job. But yeah, trying to style these, good luck is the response to that. And you'll probably see that with my on foot, so don't butcher me in the comments for styling with the on foot, because you literally can't with these. I just don't think it's possible. So, normal tissue paper in there, as you probably saw. What I do like is that this actually comes with a little booklet as well. Now, what I was thinking of doing is I'll go through the booklet and then I'll show you the shoe afterwards, because it can sort of tell you a lot more about the shoe, the booklet does. So what I'll do, so you can see the back paneling is made up from the red and blue Air Max 1, sort of like the heel tabs. You then got, well, this is actually a lot harder than what I thought it would be. You've got the Air Max 95 neon as part of one of the side panelings, and you've got the Air Max 97 bullet for the cage area, and it looks like it goes into the toe boxes as well. Following on from that, you then got the Air Max Plus Hyper Blue for a side panel, and the Air Max 90 Warhawk as one of the side overlays. Now that is a grail sneaker right there. Any Air Max 90 fans like myself, that is the one. So then you've got the Air Max 1 patter and the Air Max 1 patter on the sides, and then you've got the Dizzy Rascal tongue and cheeks on the backs as well. Another absolute all-time grail. I will get a pair of them at some point, I'm sure. You've got the Air Max 1 Atmos Tiger on the side up here, and then you've also got the Lunar Landings on the side, which good little plot actually. I'll reference my other video up in the top corner. Give that one a watch. I've reviewed this shoe and I've shown you a bit more depth about it. Got the Air Max 1, what's that one? That's the Atmos Safari, and that's also on the sides, and the Air Max 98 Supreme Snakeskin on the sides as well. What else we got? They did put a lot into this shoe, to be fair, people. You've got the Air Max 95 multicolored. I think that's one with the pony hair, which is the on the sides here. And then you've got another absolute all-time grail, the Air Max 97 one, Sean Weatherspoon's. So Witherspoon, not Weatherspoons. I'm hungry, all right. That's on the sides as well. So yeah, really cool history. Oh, I almost forgot as well, the Air Max 180 CDG pink, black and pinks are also featured on there as well. So yeah, cool little like information booklet they give you. Really helps for people to show them off the shoe, and it saves me trying to explain it all bit by bit and panel by panel, because we've gone through that now, so you can sort of see them. Yeah, they are. Like I say, it's a very sort of, when you're hands-on with it and you're feeling all these different textures and panels, it's a really cool shoe. But Like I say, I don't see anybody wearing these, and if you do, fair play to you, because of I have no idea how to style it. There's just so much going on with it. Yeah, it's damn near impossible, I think. But yeah, cool shoe. And also the Air in the Vapormax 2020, which is actually the sole on these. I don't know how people walk in them. I find it damn near impossible. It's comfy, I'll give you that, but I feel like I'm just going to trip over all the time. But I'm a tall guy anyway. I'm 6'4". These make me feel like I'm 6'6". You know, like I don't know how people walk in them. But anyway, enough of that. I'll get some on foot and we'll go from there.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you. Ain't it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head.
Okay, so that just about wraps up the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like, comment and subscribe. It's all free, it costs you nothing, and it helps me massively growing the channel. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.